Hi everyone, my name is Alankrita and I'm a final year student, and today I'm sitting down here to tell you guys about my college experiences and basically the things which I wish I knew when I was in my first year, so that if you are a person who's joining college this year, it might be of some help since my final year is about to end. So let's go. If you're just getting bored, then you might want to take a snack or two along with you, so that because it's going to be a long chit chat, sitting down kind of a video. So let's go. Yeah, so the first thing is when you join college, you are very intimidated to get into a relationship because in most of our cases what happens is that we try to refrain ourselves into getting into one since we think of it as a distraction while our preparation phase. So the moment we get into college, we think of getting into a relationship, and it's a very common thing. It's very common thing to even get crushes and to basically have that lovey-dovey phase. So it's a very normal thing. But what I would like to add upon that is that you should not get into a relationship just because everybody is getting into one. You should actually see and try to resonate with the other person rather than just getting attracted to that person and then making very impulsive decisions, because I have seen a lot of people who just get into a relationship just for the sake of it, and it actually ruins them. It ruins their personality, it ruins their mental health and a lot. So it's very important to be very mindful in these decisions because हम मूवीज़ कोई अगर हम मूवी देखना होता है उससे पहले भी वी थिंक अबाउट इट, है ना, कि ये कौन सा मूवी है, इसका जॉनरा क्या है, इसका शुड वी वॉच इट और नॉट, इसमें हीरो कौन है, हीरोइन कौन है. सो इफ़ वी आर जस्ट थिंकिंग ऑफ गेटिंग इन टू अ रिलेशनशिप विद अ पर्सन, उतना तो दिमाग लगाओगे ना. बेसिकली उनका पर्सनैलिटी देखो, उनका ट्राई टू नो देम बेटर. दैट इज़ माई पॉइंट, बिकॉज अदरवाइज इफ़ यू गेट इन टू अ टॉक्सिक वन, इट्स गोइंग टू कॉस्ट यू अ लॉट. Peace. My second point is to basically work upon yourself. If you are in your college years, you there are a lot of people who just says ki
Looks does not matter.
and trust me, they are the biggest liars of all time, because when I had joined college, I was a pretty fat kid. I'm not lean now, I'm chubby, I'm still chubby, but I was a typical fat kid. I had lost around 20 kgs in my college, so which was a lot. So what I have noticed is that people's perception, the way people treat you changes a lot. Yeah, so in short, my point is कि college is not just about academics. You should try to inculcate a lot of healthy habits and try to develop your skills, your soft skills, and all the other kinds of skills. And you should try to grow as a person rather than just not wasting, I would say, but spending all your time and investing all your time basically on your academics. It should be combined approach. My third point is very related to that, and that is ki you should not be totally distracted and take your studies for granted, because college basically, if you have joined an institution, you are here to study. Okay, so I have seen both the extremities, that there are people who just invest all their time studying, and then there are people who don't study at all. Don't be that as well, either. So what you should be doing is that you should even take your studies seriously, since हम
कॉलेज तो आए हैं डिग्री के लिए एंड डिग्री है पढ़ने के लिए. सो
you should take your study seriously. That is my point. Everything, whatever that is meant in the curriculum is there for a reason. So try to know the reason behind it and try to learn what that particular thing is trying to teach you. And yeah, so basically that would make your college experience enjoyable as well. Fourth point is to, it's a very simple basic point, but it deserves a special mention, and that is to respect your teachers. I have seen a lot of my batchmates who just don't feel the need to respect their teachers because they think that they are maybe not cool or outdated or whatever, which is so wrong. At least I think that your professors or your teachers knows the best. At least if not the best, they definitely know more than you. And even if they don't know more than you, let's say, then also they are adults, like they are older than you. So अगर तुम्हें ये सब रीज़न भी नहीं पसंद आ रहे, so you have to understand that
They are the people who are going to give you marks ultimately.
so if you are on good terms with them, it's gonna be very helpful. Like when I was in my second year, I remember I had performed pretty badly in my practical examination because it was a bad day for me. But when the results came out, I had scored actually, one of the highest because I was on good terms with the teacher. So I'm not telling that कि भैया तुम बिल्कुल उसके ऐसे एकदम पीछे पड़ जाओ and do पूरा ऐसा चापलूसी and stuff, but at least try to respect them, try to be a nice person to them in general. My fourth point would be to not avoid getting your heart broken. I mean, as trivial as it sounds, like what we do is that, what I feel is that a lot of us, we shield ourselves, we create boundaries, like very superficial boundaries, and we take impulsive decisions just so that we don't feel broken, or we don't feel unhappy, which does not make a lot of sense to me, because if you don't get your heart broken, or if you don't get sad, then there is no way that you could feel happy, or you could know the value of happy days. So what my point is that you should, like, know the you should go to the lowest so that you could enjoy your highest points. So yeah, it's a part of life, and you are not the only one who's facing through it, like who's going through it. It's a part of our life, and since we all are growing up and every person is different, our experiences are going to be different, and it's totally okay. Everything teaches you a lesson, and you should try to focus on the lesson rather than just thinking
ये मेरे साथ क्यों हुआ?
जस्ट ट्राई टू थिंक कि अच्छा मैंने इससे क्या सीखा, एंड आगे मैं फ्यूचर में क्या, लाइक इसमें इनकलकेट करके आई कुड बी अ बेटर पर्सन, और व्हाट वाज माय फॉल्ट इन दैट. और लास्टली कि लाइक बहुत लोग क्या होते हैं कि बहुत अपने आप को गार्ड कर देते हैं कि लाइक एक ख़राब एक्सपीरियंस रहा, सो आई वोंट लाइक ट्राई न्यू एक्सपेरिमेंटिंग, और आई वोंट ट्राई न्यू थिंग्स, विच इज़ वेरी रॉन्ग, बिकॉज लाइक फिर तो तुमने लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस ही नहीं किया, विच इज़ सो स्टूपिड अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. सो don't be afraid to be sad, to be alone, to be like, to have the worst days basically. And my last point would be, like last advice, last word of wisdom would be to make memories. There are a lot of people who think that जो तुम्हारे कॉलेज में लोग होंगे, they would be coming from different backgrounds. Everybody would not be like from the same background as you, or from like in all the aspects, maybe in terms of your language, or the economical background, or any kind of background. It should not stop you from making memories. Actually, but it teaches you so much about your life, like you get to learn so much from different people, and to like after knowing about their experiences, what I feel is that in college I have become such a better person. I have started valuing a lot of things, because like earlier I used to take so many things for granted, but after like joining college, I realized the value of small things as well. So what I would say is that don't be afraid to make memories, make as many memories, make as many friends, make like go all out and have fun. Like college should not be a burden, but rather than like it should be an experience, and you should make most out of it. Yeah, so those were the advices that I had for anyone who's joining college, or basically to anyone who feels lost. Life should never be a burden. It should be a place where you feel happy and protected and nice. And if you're not happy, like really happy, then you should try to know the reasons behind it, and try to work upon it. And lastly, it's okay to be alone. Even if you don't have anyone, you don't need a company to be happy. It's totally fine, like to be. But basically, our last में, it's ultimately very important to be happy in life. Maybe with like you could be happy with someone or alone. It doesn't matter. The ultimate goal should be to be happy, and to make college a memorable experience. Like just go all out, and I hope that by the time you come into your final year, you become a different person, and you have so much, so many things to share. And yeah, I hope you all the best, and I hope you guys rock. Bye. गर्मी ये बातें नहीं है, इस मोड़ पर हम मिले हैं.